How to find Chrome downloads on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Chrome application on your phone. Once you are on the Chrome homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots icon. This action will open up the main menu for the browser. As you can see, a menu with several options will appear. You can see bookmarks, history, reading list, and more. From this list of options, find and tap on Downloads as shown to continue. You will then be automatically taken to the Downloads folder, which is located within your iPhone's Files app. Here, you can view every file you've downloaded. As you can see, all your downloaded images, documents, and other media are stored in this location for easy access. Following these steps, you can easily find Chrome downloads on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.